Having a 2010 Chevy Camaro. Going to replace the Weber canister vane solenoid. It's a pain in the butt. That's my first time trying to do it. You actually can do it in the floor. You gotta be careful. Get some stands. What you're gonna do is you raise the car up, and this is the frame. 24 millimeter bolt. You're gonna just lose it a little bit, not much. All four. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what you do is just lose the first one until you feel like it comes out, and then you tighten it a little bit again. You're gonna do this with all four, and then you're gonna put a stand under it for your safety. You're just trying to lower it to see if you can reach the sensor. I don't know what the engineer in the Chevy who does that. You can put it just anywhere around here, like the Silverado or the Suburban. I don't know why exactly they put it on top of the frame. It's really hard to get to it. So if you want to drop the frame, it's up to you, but I don't want to drop the frame. I'm trying to just lose it from anywhere around. Like here you can see the sensor. Okay, so on top of the frame right here, after I lose it, you can see a little bit. So what I did here, I just removed the muffler holder, one over here, and there is one on top, two actually on top over there, so that way I can just try to move it to the side and have a space so I can lose the hose. So first thing I did, okay, get my brake bar. Okay, you stick it over here. Okay, trying to push this to that side so that way you can put your hand inside here. And then you see the hose that I just boot it down. Just with your hand, you just push it down like that, would come out. This is the one I'm talking about. This is a new one. So this is the one I'm talking about. You just pull it down like that, it'll come out easy. And then the second thing, I also removed the rear right wheel, trying to find more space. Put my hand around here and there. So second thing I'm going to do is trying to remove this block. So if you come from the rear right side, if you have long clip screwdriver, and you go around here, you can see this red nibble. Actually, I can go closer with you. Okay. So coming from behind the wheel. Okay. Trying to open this and push it down. Like, see. Now what I'm going to do, the last thing I'm going to do is to remove this hose. Gonna remove the clamp over there, this one. Sorry for the camera. I think I need to clean the lens. That hose, the one attached to this one. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna turn off the camera and trying to remove this solenoid, take it out, just push it out like that. Whereas it's sold once anyway, you can use your brake bar, trying to wiggle around, just push it, take it out, and while you take it out, that way you're gonna have room, so you just can push it to this side again and get your brake bar. You may need another hand with you, but I have no helper today, trying to do it fast. So you can push it to this side. You can see the hose, the one with rusty clamp. Trying to zoom it. Yeah, this one right there. So if you have a long blade, or after you take the sensor out, just push it toward to this side, and after that it's easy to remove. That's it. Please thumbs up and subscribe for the channel for more videos. One more thing I'm going to show you. The part is right here. This is a 2010 V6. I'm sure it's working for so many models. I'm sorry, my bad. Here is the part number right there. GM. Okay, thanks for watching.